Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, fountain of youth who wants to age, forget gracefully in today's age and world. How many times you have looked at those beautiful celebrities and envied that these people never age? However, deep down, perhaps, you also know that there is a lot of effort and money that goes into making these celebrities look young and beautiful. Having said that, I am not trying to break your heart and help you instead. So today, I will be talking about how to keep our skin looking young and wrinkle-free. So when we're young, our skin stays plump and smooth because it constantly regenerates itself. But as we age, collagen production slows, and exiting collagen can get damaged. What's the results? Wrinkles and sagging skin going soft. That's such a nightmare, isn't it? But do you guys ever thinking that out there are countries people that have the best resistance to aging? The answer is yes, they are. They are Korea and Germany. Most Koreans look so incredibly young because they maintain to eat healthy food and concerned about their skin routine. Meanwhile, in Germany, Germans, they are really focused on physical activity such as running, gym, clean their houses on their own, and a lot of good stuff. And do you guys start to compare yourself to people of these countries? And start curious, why do our skin look older than our real age? So I will briefly tell you the possibilities why you get faster to be aging. Undernutrition and exposure to strong sunlight are factors which make one look older than the chronological age. Dryness makes skin lose elasticity and look wrinkled. Lack of exercise can cause the muscles to lose their tone and become saggy early. Also, mental stress and alcohol use both make a person look older. So, considering with the causes of aging, at what exactly age do we start to aging? So, from around the age of 25, the first signs of aging start to become apparent on the surface of the skin. Fine lines appear first and wrinkles. A loss of volume and a loss of elasticity become noticeable over time. Then from that statement, is it really important to avoid aging earlier? The answer is yes. Just like retailers seem to roll out holiday merchandise earlier and earlier, the age to start your preventive anti-aging routine keeps getting pushed up. And with age, your skin thins and become less elastic and more fragile. And fatty tissue just below the skin decreases. Then the wrinkles, age spots, and others as long as you get older, it will appear more and more to your skin. So, how to keep your skin looking young and wrinkle-free? I have all what you need. First is eating healthy. You can add foods high in lycopene. Lycopene is an antioxidant that helps your skin from UV rays which damage your skin. Lycopene can be found in watermelon and tomato. Then, make sure you're getting enough vitamin C. Vitamin C can help prevent wrinkles, dryness, and fine lines. You can find it in orange, strawberries, and vitamin C supplement. Second is taking care of your skin. Use sunscreen to protect from the sun. Make sure you use at least SPF 30 and apply it before you leave the house each morning. And then wash your face twice a day. Use a cleanser that says hydrating or moisturizer that preventing your skin from drying out. And if needed, apply anti-aging products. Make sure to choose the products based on your age and your skin type. Third is developing healthy habits. Exercise for 30 minutes every day. Larry Tucker from Brigham Young University discovered that adults with a high level of physical activity had the biological aging advantage. You can just run for 30 minutes or do squats, sit-ups, and other strength exercises. And then drink around 8 glasses of water every day. Because if you don't drink enough water, your skin can look dry and sunken. And then also you have to get enough sleep, about 8 hours per day. And avoid smoking and alcohol, because you can prevent the toxin that can cause premature aging. Last but not least is keep a positive attitude. Having a positive attitude towards life can prevent for having mental stress that accelerates the aging. Our 3 tips for having skin look young and wrinkle-free. Eating healthy, take care of your skin, and developing a healthy habit. I hope we all can do it, because keeping your skin healthy and young is more than just creating a good impression. It also means you are protecting your body against germs as well as damage to your bones, muscles, and internal organs, especially when we get older. Besides keeping harmful microbes out, your skin also keeps fluid inside your body to prevent dehydration. So, what are you waiting for? Taking care of your skin is not only get a young and a beautiful look, but also a young and a beautiful mind. We have to get up, keep searching, accept, and be grateful. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.